Well. Hello, guys. I feel like it's been a long time, but it hasn't because I've been creating the vision. However, it's Monday. We're going out.
Why are you making it sound like that?
Sound like what?
I don't want to go.
It's cold outside and it's raining. So that voice literally is exactly how I feel. It's Monday. It's raining, but we're going out. So yeah, just got off of work. Dania. I got off of work earlier, did my face, hey face. Dania's working on her face. Our sister Danielle, she's getting ready also. We're waiting for our cousin Whitney to pull up because we're about to go outside on this Monday. So welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Double Team. We're going outside. We actually don't even know where we're going. It's about to be 7 o'clock, but we're going to be spontaneous today. And what's being spontaneous on a work day called again? What did I say? I forget. The word is in one of them episodes, but being spontaneous on a work day is called something that I can't remember right now. But yeah, finna go put something on and then we gonna come back. But Dania, she doing her face right now. Y'all wanna see her? You wanna see the girls? Show the girls your face. Cause hey, what it do? We in Mexico with coats.
Se van con el viento, a otras se las lleva el mar, sonando y bailando la vida del sonero, cruzando tierras y montes, a veces sin intentar, dispersando la alegría en su sonadero.
Throw that thing around. Yeah. Oh, I smell it, guys. Yeah. Yeah.
¡Ay, sabroso! Dale tumbao, Tony. ¡Ay, qué rico, rico! ¿Cómo dice mi coro ahí? Ah, juega bonito, juega con el tumbao. La verdad, juega bonito, juega con el tumbao. Sabroso. Juega bonito, juega con el tumbao. Juega bonito, juega con el tumbao. Mira. Oye, ya saben lo que está pasando, que con la orquesta ya llegué. Tan sabroso que tiene su caché.
Oh my God. No.
Perfect. Seguimos hasta el amanecer. Seguimos siempre.
I tried both of them. But a little bit, like that green. That green. Yeah. Let me see that green, baby.
Juega bonito, juega con el tumbao. Bueno, juega Cristian. Ajá. Camina.
how we said nothing. We said a little and showed a lot.
Oh, child.
And we just need to let y'all know we just had the best tacos.
I've never had no meat taste like that. And I'm a flexitarian. For those that's flexitarians out there, this was the best flex ever. When I say
The
that,
best flex
meat. And
So,
all they
wait,
season-
no. Here's the rundown.
Okay, yeah.
So it's I don't know if it's the only Michelin Star Taco restaurant or if it's the only one in the States. Either way to go, it's the only one. And so they having a pop-up in two Chicago restaurants this month, and we was able to get in, and the line wasn't around the door. People was waiting 3 hours. We pulled up, parking spot, we pulled up, no line, we pulled up, sat right down. And when I say the taco was so fire,
It actually wouldn't do no justice of trying to say words that go with it. It was just like,
there wasn't no cheese, wasn't no
Nothing.
no lettuce, no tomatoes, didn't even
Barely
need no
no
salsa.
sauce.
When I say a hit, Monday well spent.
Yeah.
Okay?
yeah.
Well worth it.
Well, very. Shout out to y'all. I could you know how I always be asking people the question, if you was in a food eating contest, what would it be?
You would eat those? Okay.
Banging them.
Fire.
I could have had like about, how many did we actually have? Everybody had
3. We had 3 of those, but then we tried other tacos. I had a chicken taco. Never want to eat that again. Okay.
Baja Taco was number
That was
2.
good. That was good. The fried
Number 2.
fish, and then we both had birria tacos. It wasn't nasty, but I've had better birria. But that steak,
Ain't nobody touching it. And it was only seasoned with salt.
whatever they seasoned it and marinated it with, and put that love in there, fire. It was so good. So yes,
How
Monday
did you like
was
your
spent-
drink?
Okay, so I had hibiscus and pineapple. It was just fresh pressed juice, right? Or it was what hibiscus is tea, so it was like tea and pineapple. It was really good.
Yeah.
Very refreshing, not too sweet, and I had that light pineapple flavor. It was good. If it had like a splash of club soda and give it like that pop effect, it really would have been good. And then you had,
I had fresh pressed watermelon and pineapple.
and which sounds really good, but watermelon and me, we're not like this. We're like this because baby, it don't work. So I had to stay away. But it was a great time going out on a Monday, just relaxing. It just felt good to just be outside on a Monday. We both got to wake up early for work tomorrow.
Very
We'll
much
get
so.
there. You feel me? But we're practicing living our life in the now and not waiting.
Yeah.
So
and not in a routine style.
yeah.
Like,
So this was a spontaneousness Monday.
we
Which
can call it spontaneous or just now the lifestyle of being alive.
we're living.
We're living
And enjoying.
living and enjoying, because I don't want to continue to plan my life for the weekend.
That's real. And
I'm not doing
it
that.
just be so busting everywhere on the weekend anyway. Like, I just love a chill. And actually, dang, we should have stayed outside just probably like a little bit longer because we love the West Loop. And just to be in the West Loop and it wasn't bussing.
It wasn't busting. It wasn't super cold. It is just a bit rainy and stuff. Not really rainy, but
It
cuddly.
rained all day today, but it was not raining. It was like drying up, but it was the night.
cool.
It had that night
If
crisp
it was
cold.
if it wasn't cold, I probably could have stayed out a little bit longer. But at the same time, I could go to sleep. I'm finna take the best hot shower,
That's so good to take a hot shower.
rub my body down,
Hey,
and go to sleep.
that's so good. Yeah,
But when I say the pop up is over,
I don't know. No dates.
I would, if I had the time
You'll go back.
until they leave. I want to get as many tacos. I'll probably just order that first one
And
because
just
you
get the
order.
two.
So when you order, it's called Costella.
Let's go with that because baby, I don't give me the.
Costella or Costella taco. It comes with 2. So literally I would just go and place that one order, get them 2 tacos and call it one, and get some elote or go to Granddaddy on the street.
Yeah, go to Granddaddy because.
But amazing. It doesn't even, a 10 out of 10, not even something I would want to rate it. Like, it's just one of them, like, wow, I've never had nothing taste
And
like
I
this
just
before.
wasn't going to. I had a feeling it was going to be good, obviously, because they got a Michelin star. But it was just like, it was just the corn tortilla and like flank steak on top. I'm
It was
like,
this.
Literally. And we was just like, okay. And I said, I'm not standing 3 hours in line for no meat on no taco shell, okay? And baby,
you definitely was saying that.
and I still wasn't gonna stand in line for it, baby, but I didn't have to stand in line. But it was so good. It was so good. So well worth it. And so we just sharing that today or the nights of us out there. You know, so it was a good time. I don't have my camera, but we are using our Kodak camera from high school that we found. Throwback, so it's going to give vintage vibes, maybe. So yeah, just enjoy the cinematics of Taco Monday. And thank you for watching Double Team.
Yes.
All right, catch y'all.